Welcome back again in your learning classes, which is arranged by Bardwan Model School, and I am your Manushi ma'am taking your KG mathematics class. So last day we have discussed about greater than and smaller than symbol, and I have given you practice worksheet. I hope you all are practicing at your home. Today we will discuss about the next topic, that is equal and not equal. Okay. So first you have to know that equal meaning and not equal meaning. What is the meaning of equal? So first you know that equal means you can say in Bengali shoman, and not equal means shoman noy. Okay. That is opposite. That is exactly opposite. That is, so equal means you can say that is the you can count the numbers of objects, both the sides or both the columns or both the portion is equal in same number. Okay, in same number, that means that you call you can say equal. And the opposite same thing is, if the number of the objects, both the sides are not same, that means not equal. Okay, that is very easy. So let's see with the help of some examples. I hope you all are easy to recognize this topic. Okay, so let's come here. What is the thing? That is, our topic is equal. First you have to know the equal. EQUAL. Equal sign is, this sign is denotes equal. Okay, and not equal, that means same equal and only one another line is draw here, that means not equal. Okay, so equal sign denotes like this, and not equal sign this denotes this. Okay, now let's do some examples. Suppose I am drawing here some objects. Okay, here, and next I am drawing a box, and another this side also I am drawing a objects. Now first what you will do? Count the objects. How many objects in left side first? 1, 2. I am writing here 2. And right side 1, 2. Again I am writing here 2. So now you will see very carefully, both the side, left side and the right side, a number of objects are same. Okay, number of objects are same. Here is also 2, and right side also objects number is 2. That means both the sides are equal in number. Okay, that means what sign I will put here? This sign. If both the portion are same count in numbers, that means equal. So I am drawing here this symbol. Okay, this. Next, do another thing. Again I am drawing objects. And drawing a box and this. Okay, again first our work is counting, that means 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 I am writing here 4, and the right side only 1, that means 1 I am writing here. So both the sides are not equal, or not number are not same. Here is 4, left side is 4 in number, and right side is 1. Number of objects is 1. That means both the sides are not same. That means not equal. That means we are putting here this symbol. This symbol is denotes not equal. Okay, here if both the sides are same objects, number of objects are same, that means we are putting here this symbol, equal symbol, and both the sides are counting, number of countings or number of objects are not same, that means we are putting here this symbol. Next we will do some numbers. Okay, suppose I am writing here 5 and the box given here, and right side also 5, that means both sides are 5, both sides are equal, that means we are here giving this symbol. Next 7, 7, both sides are same in number, that means equal sign. 6, box 4, both sides are not same, here is 6 and right side is 4, that means not same, we are putting here not equal, this symbol. Okay, so it is our today's activity, equal and not equal. Okay, this symbol is to equal and not equal, it is our today's activity. Okay, regarding this activity, today I am giving a worksheet, practice worksheet. Okay, so you will practice at your home. I am discussing something. First count the objects and write the numbers and put the correct sign, equal or not equal, in the given boxes. First what you have to do, that count the objects and write down here. Again right side also count the objects and write down in the box number. Then you will decide what sign is putting you will here, equal or not equal. Again number B is also same. First you count the objects and write down in the box. Again right side also count the numbers, count the objects and write here. And you will decide decide that what symbol is you will put here. Same C, D and E. And the next number 2, put the correct sign, equal or not equal, in the given boxes between the numbers that we have already discussed. Okay, these are the numbers and you will put the symbol, this sign equal to or not equal to. 5, 7, 3, 3, 4, 4. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay, A to I. You will do these worksheets also. Okay, same thing, you will pause your video and copy from here, and you will do you at your on your notebook, or you will take a screenshot, then you will do at your home on your notebook. Okay, in this way you will do you will practice this worksheet. Okay, so it is our today's activity. Today we have discussed about equal and not equal topic, and last day I have given you a worksheet also, that also you will practice, and today's practice paper is also you will practice at your home. Okay, so next day we will meet again in another topic. Okay, so stay safe and good.